everyone, welcome back. If you see a something went wrong error in the BNZ app or internet banking, here's what to do. First, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for BNZ, close it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then restart the device to refresh the system processes. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for BNZ Mobile Banking and check for updates and install the latest version from the BNZ app. Then, swipe off from your bottom of your screen and clear all the other background apps to free up memory. If the issue continues, it may be a temporary server issues on the BNZ side. Wait a few minutes and try again. If the error persists for an extended period, contact BNZ support for assistance. And that's how to fix something went wrong error quickly and safely. Subscribe for more.